Hello friends, how can you add a shadow to any object in Photoshop? First, turn on the subject image. Then create a new layer and drag it to the top. Now go to the brush tool and select a soft round brush. Set the brush size around 152 px and keep the hardness at 0. Brush softly under the object to create the shadow area.
Make sure the shadow stays only at the bottom of the object. Next, go to the adjustment layer and select levels. Turn on the mask button. Now drag the level slider slightly to the left or adjust as you like. And that's it. This is a simple way to add a realistic shadow to any object in Photoshop.